Here is a quick overview of the current UI of NanoAnalytics here on Flask Vibe. It's a good occasion for me to show you how you can filter the live visitors. You just click on Filter Live and you will see the data about the live visitor. You can see here also that you can filter by dimension. So if I click on Referrer and I want to see the people from Y Combinator, I've got an instant view on all the data there, and I can also cumulate. So I can do, for instance, country, US, and will refresh in real time the data. So you have the top level KPI, the map for the live view, the traffic overview, the sessions overview, the device breakdown, the top pages, referrers, languages, the host names if you have multiple subdomains, top countries, entry pages, peak hours, bounce rate, exit pages, width of the screen, browsers, and operating system. That's a quick overview of what you can do with NanoAnalytics.